Welcome. Glowright Lights, a versatile lighting solution. Okay, let's go. I recently had the chance to try out the Glowright Smart Lights, specifically the Glowright Indoor Everywhere Light 2.0 with a magnetic 360-degree rotation, adjustable 7 color modes, and 3 color temperature options. And I must say, I'm generally impressed with its performance and functionality. Design and build. First off, the design is sleek and modern, fitting seamlessly into various home decors. The magnetic base is a great feature. It allows for easy attachment to any metal surface, and the 360 rotation gives you complete flexibility to direct the light exactly where you need it. Whether it's on a shelf, side table, or attached to a wall, it adapts to any space effortlessly. Light quality. The Glowright light comes with 3 color temperatures: cool white, warm white, and a soft amber. This gives users great control over the ambiance they want to create, whether you're looking for something bright and energizing or a cozy warm glow. The 7 color modes are vibrant, and it's a fun touch for adding color to a room or using it for a special occasion. The Dimmable Feature. The dimmable function is a game changer. Whether you need full brightness for reading or a low-key ambiance for relaxation, you can adjust it to your preferences with ease. The control is smooth and the transition between levels is seamless, without any harsh jumps in light intensity. Cordless and rechargeable. One of the standout features is the cordless functionality. The rechargeable battery lasts a decent amount of time, depending on brightness and usage, and there's no need for a power outlet. This makes it perfect for anywhere in the house, or even taken outside for an outdoor setting, without worrying about wires or plugs. In terms of performance, I haven't experienced any issues. The light output is consistent, and the magnetic base holds the light securely, even when rotated or adjusted frequently. I also appreciate the quick charging time and the fact that it's energy efficient. The light doesn't overheat even after extended use, which adds to its overall appeal as a practical, long-lasting piece. This is a product that I purchased with my own money, and I actually use it every day. But there is an affiliate link below, so if you decide that you want to buy this item or any other items you see in my video, using the links below would definitely be appreciated. And if not, if anything in this video was helpful to you, please take a second to hit the thumbs up, as it would help my channel, and it's a great indicator that I'm helping someone. Thank you. Back to the video. In conclusion, overall, the Glowright Smart Lights are a fantastic lighting option for those looking for versatility, convenience, and a high-quality lighting experience. With its magnetic base, adjustable color options, dimming features, and cordless design, it's a perfect choice for anyone wanting to add a bit of customizable light to their living space, office, or even outdoor areas. I highly recommend it for anyone in need of a flexible, easy to use, and high performance lighting solution. Thank you again, and take care. Bye-bye.